Hey everybody, we're at the end of another year and it's crazy to think that 2024 has come and gone. This year we've had so many cool new businesses open up, we've had good progress on a lot of the developments around the whole county, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what comes in 2025. Today I want to share my top 5 wish list for things to come or be announced in 2025. These are not necessarily in talks or confirmed at all. This is just my wish list of what I want to see come to our great city. Number 1 is going to be chicken and pickle. I've become a huge pickleball fan this year. This is a concept that has food as well as pickleball, indoor and outdoor courts, all different kind of yard games. Really cool atmosphere. The second one, number 2, is going to be Popstroke, which is Tiger Woods' new mini putt restaurant that also is experiential, has food as well as some mini putt that I've heard really good things about. Number 3, we've got Javiers Mexican restaurant out of Southern California. This is my favorite Mexican place in the entire country, and I would love to see it here. They've also got one in Vegas as well as the other 2 concepts I mentioned, so why not come just a little further north and open up some spots here. Then number 4, we've got my favorite donuts in the world. This is Sidecar Donuts out of Southern California as well. Every time we go down there, we have to hit Sidecar, and I would love to have them right here in my backyard. Then number 5, the one that everybody asks about just about daily or weekly, Trader Joe's is the number 1 retail store that I want to come here. So I'll join in the crowd with that. And hopefully one of these days that thing turns from a rumor into a confirmation and we'll all be happy around here. So that's my top 5. Comment below or DM me your favorite spots and what you want to come here to Southern Utah. I'm gonna put together a list over the next couple of weeks and I'll post the results of what the top spots are that people want here. Thanks guys.